As always, I'm your host, AirsoftAL. Welcome to the second of two reviews for the month of November. This review, of course, is on a gas rifle. Now, I've reviewed gas rifles in the past. The first one, of course, being I believe the first one being the Herd Wolf, which was a revolver rifle. And, of course, I did review the TAC 6, which is actually over here I hope to take to a game one day, but, you know, just one of those things. For those of you who don't know what the TAC 6 is, it's a lovely little thing by ASG. Yeah, this is kind of my semi-custom one. I hope to take to a game one day and actually use. It's just, you know, gotta get more magazines for it because I've only got 2 of them for the thing, and I can buy more on Amazon, thank God. But yeah, just get a couple more magazines. You know, it's just what it is. The other gas rifle I reviewed in the past was, of course, a Umarex one as well. But didn't exactly work out, and it's currently in pieces, and I've got to kind of work on some stuff because the charging handle wouldn't lock back. I was putting gags, so that's in pieces right now until I can get the thing fixed. So, yeah. Moving on to the actual subject of this video is a WeTech, the first of... Actually, I don't know how many WeTechs I've reviewed so far in my long reviewing career. But either way, though, the WeTech in question, of course, is the 416. Not fully licensed, but it's actually pretty good, pretty faithful to the actual 416, and sadly, one that is pre-owned. I say sadly because I have no freaking clue what I'm doing with this thing.
Excuse me, what?
Like, at all. And the gameplay you'll see of this will show that, but the big thing, though, is that it is actually legitimately well built. It actually is a metal lower, metal upper, full-on 416 quad rail, 14mm negative threading. Has a lovely buttstock that is not of the 416 quality, I think. It is shooting at, of course, 1.71 joules. Granted, that's with a 0.3 BB, so, you know, there's that. It does have, of course, well, it does use both CO2 and, of course, regular gas magazines, which, for the gameplay you're seeing here, it's going to be regular gas magazines. But the big thing, though, is it was broken until I let a friend of mine take a look at it and basically fix it. What was broken about it was the fact of the safety wasn't working and wouldn't actually work. And what he found out about is that the previous owner, or at least something that happened, which was Will Bartley, aka Mr. OT. Shout out to him for actually having the opportunity to review this thing. Basically allowed me to review this, but essentially what happened, and this is a thing you might want to go ahead and be aware of, is that do not prime this thing on safe. It will mess up your safety, it will mess up your trigger, and will cause it to basically, you know, not function properly. There we go, there we go. You know, the safety's working, and just... Now we're going to ghost the trigger a little bit. So, here we go. I actually do have the, right there, pulling. There's the wall right there, and a little bit of pressure, There we go. There's the reset. It's actually pretty good. The reset is not that far away, and it actually is a very snappy response. Then again, that shouldn't be too surprising. Now, the other thing that he did actually point out, my friend who actually works on gas guns, actually understands gas guns, has been working on them. If I can get the rear retention pin out. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get that rear retention pin out so I can actually show this to you guys, because he did point this out to me as a thing to say, hey, be aware of this, is that the bolt will actually wear out. The bolt here will wear out. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get that bolt out. This bit right here, the bolt right there, I believe, or at least on the other side, that side there, will actually wear out and break. the bolt will break in the long run, and you will have to replace it, or at least get it repaired to a degree. So that's what he showed me. That's what he said. Hey, be aware of this. And I was like, cool. Thank you for telling me that. There we go. But yeah, much like an actual AR-15, this will open and close like an actual AR-15. That's one of the benefits of a gas blowback, is that it's basically like an AR-15, and you can work it like an actual AR-15, which again, actually very lovely. However, the bolt catch does not work on this, which for those who actually understand AR-15, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Now, much like an actual AR-15, you can do whatever you want. You can do a lot of what you want with it, but unlike, like AEGs, where you can just swap out parts willy-nilly, for gas blowbacks, it's actually a lot more expensive to do. There actually is an expensive process, meaning you are dropping a lot of money into this. And with the price tag this thing is asking, well, let's just say that I will not be the one to actually keep this. But this is a pre-owned gun, meaning that it's not brand new, not out of the box, but it's still... Yeah, so understand the score of it. I'm not reviewing a brand new one. This is pre-owned. Keep that in mind. So let's go ahead, get to the actual gameplay footage, and actually see how this thing works in action. Sadly, I can't engage close. This thing's a DMR, apparently. We're red team, right? Yeah. All right then. Hit. Good shot, good shot. Oh, here on my battlefield. 416. But apparently it's a DMR. I mean, it's not wrong, but really? 416 is a DMR? Okay. Whoa, hello. Whoa. Oh, you're here having a sniper battle. Yeah, I'm not reaching that. Who controls the point? You're right. Who controls the point?
We do.
We do. Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh, I'm out. That's why I'm not shooting anything. I can... Oh, hit! Rise are reloaded. See him through this brush. This thing chopping BBs? Oh. Oh, okay. Is that him or is that not him? No clue. Yeah, I'm trying to get a flank on him. Yeah, I see him. So I'm trying to see if I can get a good angle on him. There you are. This thing does not want to work for me.
Why'd you wait, man? Shoot him. I know, you waited.
I didn't see him. That's the thing. Like, all I saw was this, and the dude.
In my head, I was telepathically like, turn left, turn left, turn left. Blue controls the clock!
I thought I was just trying to move this way now. Oh, oh. No, you're a teammate. Okay. You friendly?
Yeah, I'm on your team.
Okay, making sure. I was about to shoot. I was about to bang you.
I'm watching. bomb. Got hit over there in the swamp.
Yeah. Ow! Ow! Dead!
Louder. Try something a little different. I feel like I just saw you.
I know, right? I hear shooting. I don't know if they're shooting at us or away from us. They're shooting at us. I'm gonna go with this guy. Just lay into this guy. Yeah, there's one guy up there. I think it's Aaron.
Oh, dang.
Head! Do we still control the bomb?
Huh?
Do we still control the bomb? Okay.
I think even if they get it at this point, we won.
Yeah, I'm just trying to expend the ammo of this so I can switch back to my AEG.
They're pushing up on. No way.
I'm not going to say that this is a bad gun, because I'm really not. In reality, it is well built. It actually is very sturdy. It actually is a pretty cool thing, just not really my bag. I mean, don't get me wrong, I would love to continue playing with gas blowback rifles in the future. I'd love to actually kind of get the skill and understanding to actually maintain these things, but this is definitely not my bag. Really not. Considering I had to get this sent off to a friend of mine to work on the trigger, had to get the magazines repaired, this is definitely not my bag. And the score definitely reflects it. And I know I'm going to get a lot of hate on this, but understand this is of a pre-owned, not a full-on... Yeah. Anyway. The WeTech 416 gas blowback rifle gets no more, no less than a 7 out of 10. It's a decent gun. I mean, again, it may be because I'm not as knowledgeable enough on gas blowbacks to actually understand what it's doing, what's going on with it, and that could be a factor, because again, I'm not that knowledgeable for gas blowbacks. So please, don't crucify me in the comments section, just kind of give your own understanding of gas blowbacks and sort of the information you have to share about them. Again, I'm not saying it's a bad gun. In reality, it's not. It's just, my experience, in my opinion, it's a 7. It's not an 8, not a 9, definitely not a 10. It's a 7 in my opinion. Again, it's just one of those things, and the fact it's a pre-owned definitely doesn't help that fact. But either way, though, huge shout out to Mr. OT who actually gave me this to actually review it, and know now that this actually will be going to someone else who actually can give it the love it deserves and the actual attention it deserves and the actual care it deserves more than I ever could. And I'm happy for that. But, ladies and gentlemen, as always, I've been AirsoftAL, and if you want to help out the channel, then please consider donating to either the PayPal or the Cash App down below. Or check out our affiliate links down below as well, because that actually helps support the channel. And if you want to own this one yourself, there will be a Buy Me link down below as well in the pinned comment. But, as always, ladies and gentlemen, I've been AirsoftAL, and I shall see you lovely, lovely people in the next video. Till next time, later.